Hi, boys and girls. Um, Welcome to lesson reteach 8.2. All right, our objective for today is I can solve real world mathematical problems by writing and solving equations of the form x plus p equals q or x times p equals q. These are just examples of what a problem could look like, so I don't want that to confuse you. All right, I have some steps for you that if you need to write these down today, go ahead and do them as we work. I'm going to be giving you word statements, uh, and we're going to be making those into a number sentence here. Before we get started, though, I want to remind you of this little clue chart right here for words for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Okay? These are common words, and we had this in the last chapter. So I just want to make sure you guys are clear. We already have had these words. All right, so as we work today, I'm going to pull this back down here because we kind of shouldn't need it for the words we're going to use. Also, words such as equal, is, and equals are they stand for that word is. They make the equal sign. All right. So let's go ahead and get started. All right. First of all, we're going to choose a variable. I have 18 more than a number is 29. Okay. When you see that word number here, whoops. When you see that word number, this usually is your variable, okay? You can just, this is your I don't know when they say number. So I'm just going to put an N here today I'm going to identify it. That's my variable. Now I'm going to have to identify the operation. I have the word more than right here, okay? More than is on the chart for addition, so I'm going to be adding. Now, something special about more than, the reason I chose this example today is when you have the word than, like more than or less than, you have to switch the order. Normally, you don't, you just write the numbers in the order that you see them, but when you have that word than, you have to switch them. So I know I'm going to add, okay, and more than a number. So n is going to go first. I don't know is first, then 18 because of the word then. No, just remember, only when you have the word then, you switch the order that you see it. Is equals, and then 29. Okay? Now, if I have another situation here, let me choose another color. What if I have the sum of 4 and a is, oops, sorry, is 10. Okay, so sum also means to add. Now in this case, I'm just going to write them in the particular order they are. 4 comes first. 4 plus a, when I see that and, that goes with that word sum, is 10. Boys and girls, it is that easy. What you see, it is that easy. Find your operation, put them in order that you see them, and you have your answer. All right, real quickly, I want to cover going the other direction. What if I start with a number sentence? Okay, what if I start with like 2a equals 10? Okay, this, when there's nothing in between, that means to multiply. So if I choose a multiplication word like the word product here, I could say the product of 2 and a is 10. Okay? Make it as simple as that. Identify your operation between your numbers and your variables. This always means is or equals, and then put it into your statement. Okay? It is that easy, boys and girls. Don't make it hard. So today we wanted to review how we could write and solve an equation. Okay, in this case, we're literally writing them today. You could solve this because there's an equal sign. It's not just an expression, it's an actual equation. So if you wanted to now, you could solve it. But the goal today was just to review the words that we use to be able to write an equation. All right, happy math.